that for Ruby's shaking. The moon right in between all them power lines. Speaking of Ruby, we trimmed up her bowhine yesterday. I butchered it up because she kept jumping up like I had stabbed her with a dull railroad spike. But she had all this fuzz coming off of her, like right there on her neck. Trying to get some of it off. Down here early this morning. Oh look, 2 birds on a wire. Where'd they go? I can't see them. There they are. There they go. There go the one. The other one's still up there. Bird on a wire. Nothing going on today. We're going to get in a short walk. I got errands and stuff to run today. Got some rain in certain parts of the county yesterday. I wonder if it had anything to made any difference in the creek levels. Nope. Okay, we're gonna walk. That's Woody. Woody woodpecker. YouTube probably get me for a trademark infringement for saying that. I hear those guys down here all the time. Morning. And occasionally you see them when they're edge of the creek, but you can always hear them whacking away at a tree or something. We got a little egret off over there. At first I thought it was trash, but then he moved. And there's a duck back up there, but as soon as we got close, she swam up on this side of the creek and started hiding. Looks like we might have something swimming around down there, but I'll wait till we get closer. Well, here's our duck gang. We've been seeing them almost every day down here. Oh, there it is. Egret was standing right in the middle of them ducks. And he flew over on this side, and then I couldn't see him. Well, there's 2 of them. Oh, they're all either headed way back down the creek, or let's see if they're going to go down the creek farther, get away from us. Okay. I wanted to get the egret standing in the middle of the ducks, but he moved when we got up here close. We're going to call this walk a done deal. Nice and short this morning. It is flipping humid out here. Oh my gosh. I kept hitting the windshield wipers on the way over here. Wonder why they stand up like that. It must just they stand straight up and flap their wings. I guess it must be getting the feathers all put in right. Okay, anyways, have a nice day. Bye.